unsuitable for heavy vehicles. That's the kind of roads we want. Oh, yes. Okay, everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is POV.2 with the GTI. I've done POV.2 with the R. I gotta say, everyone, I'm not a massive fan of wearing the old camera on my head. I find it quite restrictive in my view, but I don't mind the way they turn out, actually. So, tell me what you think. Leave me a comment. Do you prefer the camera on the head or off the head, or where do you like the camera? Because I'm never sure. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, this is my Golf GTI 2018. It's had various modifications, and I'm going to do a video upcoming on where we stand at the moment with the modifications. 6 months of ownership, bought it in January, and it has had quite a lot of work done to it. Quite a lot of work. As you'll see from the other videos, go back and watch the other videos if you want to see the other videos of what's been done so far. But a lot of work, like I said. It's a funny little tricky bit of road. This is up and down and round about. Now I can see quite far ahead of me here. For people that comment, it doesn't look like you can, but I can see down what's coming, so. And remember, for this video only, if you hit the subscribe and the like, I will come round to your house and steam clean your kitchen for you. Got a cracking new steam cleaner. Now this is a horrible corner, so this is a definite slow down here, everyone. Okay. So the GTI, it is very torquey, 315. I'm sorry, I can't remember properly what the torque is. I think it's 4.7. But it is really torquey. You see these roads, they're really tracked. When you're accelerating, the car's just dragging you right into it. This is a horrible corner, this is. Okay. Traction control's good. The tyres are good, they're just Hankook tyres. But they are good, I found them to be really good. They seem to work really well, they stick to the roads really well. Dry, I've not done a wet drive properly in this car. And the air intake just sounds great. Right, so we're coming up to a 30 bit here, so I'll probably edit out and come back to you shortly. Okay, so we're through that bit. It's a funny little bit of road this is. This is heading out towards Iron Bridge. This is, any of you have been round this way. Now that's a shame, because there's now a car gone down where I want to go down. We could maybe go this way. Why don't we go this way instead then? We'll go this way instead. Last minute decision. Right, now I don't know these roads well, everyone, so forgive me, a little bit of caution here. And they're not very fat at all. They're skinny roads. Oh, there you see, there you go, look, straight off. So it's 7:15 on a Friday, that's why I came out. Tried to come out a bit later in the evenings when there'll be less traffic about. Doesn't always work out that way, obviously. And I honestly don't know these roads. Okay, we're going to hit another 30. Come back to me. Right, everyone, I basically just did a circle there and came back to where we were. See if I can get that road without anything on it. I'd sort of scouted it the other day when I was coming out to take some pictures for Instagram. So follow me on Instagram if you want to. It's just SDW77, the same, with an underscore on the end. So we might have some horses. Okay, so I am a little bit sort of hesitant with this car because I find it quite jumpy. And as I've got the R as well, it's quite odd jumping into the manual. I have been down here in the R. I chased a BMW down here once, and it is quite uneven. You can't do uneven well in the GTI, that's what I found. Another GTI gave him a flash there. But this car is so quick now. Honestly, I do love it. It is a good driving experience. Definitely a recommendable car for sure. Where I'm at now with it, which is what I'll tell you in the next video as we come to the end of that little run there, so I'll come back to you in a second. So it has got a nice pickup, this car, and we're sitting in fourth. I'll just drop it down. Oof, just chuck you back. I mean, that wasn't me, that wasn't exaggeration there. That did chuck my head back. See that Audi just flying down there then. So I mean, it does fly, this car. It's so light as well, with the exhaust being changed. So like I say, everyone, this is what I do. I mean, I've just come back to there. I was driving around for about 25 minutes there on just behind cars. I mean, I'm stuck behind cars again here now, but it was just to give you a show of this is what happens when I come out and do these drives. Sometimes you get lucky. I try and come out, as I said, at a time when, look, there's another little road there. I try to come out at a time when there won't be many cars, but sometimes there is. So I might be able to get a little speed test down here. Okay. I hope you can hear the intake, it makes such a great noise. I know I'm a little over the limits here, people, but I try to be safe when I do these drives. I do, honestly. Now this was a dual carriageway, I'm sure I saw as I came down, because where everyone was flying. Okay, so let's go. Third, 6,000 just above revs. I mean, the pull on that is just crazy, isn't it? So what were we there, from third to fourth, and I'm in 90. So anyway, so just coming through a little village, so I just thought I'd quickly jump in here before we find another blasting road again. Just to let you know that my next video, everyone, right, I'm going to do something entirely different, right? Entirely different, but I'm thinking if you like cars, then you'll probably like this as well. Now, it's not going to be a one-off, but it won't happen very often. It will still mainly be, here we go, ooh, lovely. It will still mainly be, oof, that shut me up, didn't it? Oh, yes. Ooh. It will still mainly be driving videos on the channel. Well, absolutely it will be, but I will occasionally do this thing that I'm going to show you on the next video. Now, I've also got a plan, as I said, I've probably said already. Thought that was police there, sorry everyone. Oh, this is a good road. Why have I never seen this one before? Oh. Oh, there's a big flash, there's a big light in the middle of the street here. Yeah, this is a good road. Not sure where I am. Okay, so we're just coming into Leighton here. If you're about in Leighton, if you're from Leighton, in the Midlands, Shrewsbury way, Shropshire, that's where we are, everyone. And we're stuck behind the slowest Land Rover in the world. Okay, and I think the other idea, everyone, is to maybe go and drive some famous roads. So again, put in the comments if you think of any roads close by, not too far away, because I need to get there. Fuel costs are crazy at the moment, as you know. So if you think of anything that's quite close by, it's a good road. Somebody's put one up already, which I'm going to have a look at. But I think that might be a good idea to try and take the cars out to some of these drivers' roads like this. This is a great road. I've never come down here before. And this is what I was sort of looking for, something that's a bit quieter. See, that's the car I let get away from me a little bit. I've caught him up now. There we go, caught him up. Okay everyone, I just took a cheeky photo there. So here we go, back again. Oof. See, it's tracking me in. You really have to hold on. You don't always get the bumpiness from the camera or how much the car's dragging you around here. It really is. Oh, I have been down this road. I've definitely been down here. Yeah, I know where this road is. Okay, well that's fine. I think I've been down here. It wasn't POV though, so I do know this road a little bit better now. And this GTI really sticks well around here. I have been. It wasn't a POV, everyone. It was just camera on the windscreen. So I think this is a bit of a driver's road, because I saw other cars just absolutely tanking it around here as well. Like nice looking cars. Whoa, see, that's not me. I just dragged out into the middle of the road there. I definitely know there's a bit around here somewhere where the GTI bottoms out a little bit. So that's probably not a bad idea, this one. Oof. POV version of the drive I did back, so if you want to see that, go back and watch that. Yeah, that's where it stuck. That's exactly, oh yeah. Okay, brakes and then round, and then brakes again here, and then down, and that's the bump. This is the bumpy bit, so I'm just going to slow down here, everyone. That was it there, caught it a little bit, and then there was 2 bounces there, I remember. Yeah, good. Nice, nice, nice. It's close to the end of this road now, which is not far down here now. Oh, yes. Yeah, there's the same thing again. I've caught up again. I mean, to be fair, it is about 4,000 years old, right? So, so I just wanted you all to get a shot of the video ruiner. You're the video ruiner. You ruined my video, the last bit of this road. 44, is that as fast as you can go? 40. Video ruiner. Here we go. So as I said, I've done 4 POVs all in all now. This is the 4th, 2 with each car. So if you like the POVs, go back and watch them. They'll flick up at the end of the video. Yeah, wow. This car just shifts. The last couple of videos have been expensive, as you will have seen. The last POV in the R, I smashed the tyre. Hang on. Ooh. Oh, and you see I nearly went into the curb there. Yeah, beautiful. Check it, check this road, look at that. Oh, and you can see all the way down. Beauty. Right, look at that. Okay, fair enough. What a great road this is as well. I've been down here a couple of times, but again, not POV. Cameras on windows. I quite like the cameras on windows. Let me know, everyone. I keep muttering that, but I'm trying to rattle while I'm driving, make it a bit more interesting. Oh, a bit uneven there. Somebody flashing lights here, so I shall slow down. Oh, is that a fire or something? Oh yeah! Oh, you gotta love this car. Oh, pigeons! And it is the rare Ruby Black, everyone. Please tell me if you've seen another Ruby Black Golf GTI performance, because I haven't. I've seen a GTD Ruby Black, and I've seen one other in-person GTI Ruby Black that wasn't the performance pack. So can you give me some comments on whether you like the POV or whether you like the cameras on the windows? You coming out, fella? That was a very late decision. You're waiting for the bike, fair enough. Lady on bike, so I'm going to observe the etiquette and go 17 miles past her. Hello, lady. She looked very serene on her bike there. Can't remember what I was talking about. Yeah, so what do you prefer, everyone? POV like this, which I'm not a fan of, pure only on the basis of wearing the camera on my head. I find it quite uncomfortable. Bloody hell. Neither of those places are the places that I want to go to, so I'm going to head for home. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you hit the subscribe, then I will come round and steam clean your kitchen for you. Cheers. Hello.